figuring out how to start the first day of your class, what strategies to use to leave an impactful impression on your first day, here I am with 6 strategies that will help you kickstart the first day of your class. Welcome to Sure Learning. The first step is introducing yourself. The basic elements of starting the day are giving warm greetings to your students and playing some icebreaker activities with them. To learn more on these pointers, watch our previous video, How to Leave an Impact on Your Students. Now, coming on to introducing yourself, there are some do's and don'ts of introducing yourself. Let's first discuss do's of introducing yourself.
Make sure your introduction is appropriate for your grade level. Explain to the students how they can address you, perhaps a shortened name. Make this clear. Where you are from, what your role in the classroom will be, how long will you work in the class.
Reassure the class your ability to answer the questions, to help with assignments, and to solve the problems.
Briefly discuss a hobby, favorite food or sports team to show humility. Quickly field any questions and redirect back to the classroom procedure for the day. Don'ts of introducing yourself. Attempt to use humor that may be borderline inappropriate. Drag out the introduction by answering questions that lead to distraction from the intended purpose.
Laying ground rules. As a teacher, it is very important to lay some ground rules. However, to make an organized environment in the classroom, identify the key areas that you would like to set norms for.
These areas can be rules and routines for entering the classroom, for submitting the assignment, to take washroom breaks while leaving the class, etc.
Now, break out each area further and set the norms.
If you have to lay some rules for washroom breaks, keep 2 or 3 passes in your classroom. Make a rule to take the pass to go to the washroom. If a student has already taken a pass, another student can only go to the washroom if the previous student has come back and put the pass on the allotted space. Similarly, think of other areas and come up with specified rules. In our coming videos, we will take a detailed session on how the teacher can set these ground rules in the classroom.
Organization for the win. It's the first day for your students, but isn't it yours too? You have not met these students before, so you certainly do not remember their names as well. It becomes chaotic, and some students have brought their books while some have not. Some will submit their notebooks while some will not. There is no record of who submitted their notebooks.
Besides that, make different headings for the things you require the list for. Make a tick mark beside the names of the students who submitted their notebooks.
Means of transportation. It's the first day of the school and the students are running like wildfires when the last bell of the day rings. They're rushing to the school gates to reach their homes. But each student has a different mode of transportation and different buses as well.
It becomes chaotic when you don't know which student will go on which bus. To avoid this chaos, a day prior to the class, make a list of students. Beside that, mention the respective means of transport or the bus number. This strategy will help you in assuring the kid has reached the correct bus.
Contingency plan. As a teacher, you never know what might happen next. In spite of pre-planning everything, there is always a chance that you might get stuck with something or some students while some other students are making noise. To avoid such a situation, make sure to be equipped to keep the students engaged in some other activity if some unknown situation has occurred.
For younger children, you can keep colors and drawing sheets handy to keep the students engaged while you are dealing with other children and making them settled. This will help you in staying calm and composed for the first day of the class.
Goodness giveaways. Kids love gifts, even if it is small or just a token. Prepare some giveaways or takeaway tokens for the students.
It can just be a smiley, emoji sticker or a sticker saying you are a superstar.
Making tokens may seem like a small gesture, but it will brighten up the day of the child. Students will be leaving the class with a big smile on their faces. They will be ready to come to the next class and start the day with you.
These strategies could give you an amazing start for the session. If you use any of these strategies, do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe us and stay ahead in profession. Happy teaching!